Nice. Already started map here. Hi and welcome back to Battlefield 6. Of course we have to run the engineer class. Otherwise you're cooked from the start. So they added the little bird as well to the different maps. Let's see if we can get a helicopter to fly around with, but I don't think we will be able to. Let's see, there's somebody waiting already.
We need attack support on the marked objective.
As you can see here. Come on. Okay, it's taken. Maybe we are able to get a little bird instead. Yeah, but there's no cover on this map, so this will be horrible. Transport. Come on. I think the other helicopter is already dead. There's another helicopter chasing him. Come on. Oh, come on, really? Ah, this game. You will have no chance flying this helicopter. It will be so often be taken.
Contact! Enemy tank!
Nice. Let's lay here. Oh, there's one guy! I just saw him! Oh man! Just wanna... Yeah, he's going for the challenge where we have to kill with the pistol. But how did our tank get destroyed like that? Come on, let me spawn somewhere. They have almost every flag! What the fuck? From the beginning on. This map hasn't even started yet, but they had like all the flags already.
Objective Bravo neutralized.
Come on. At least give me something to fight with. The other team is dominating. They are patrolling our spawn already. Oh, come on! Fuck this! You won't be able to get any vehicle! Okay, I can watch the desert here. Come on, let me shoot down the little bird here. They jumped out. You fucker! You piece of garbage! You shouldn't fucking use it as a fucking... I shouldn't be annoyed because it's Battlefield and nobody knows how to play Battlefield anymore. Shoot at it, shoot at it, shoot at it, shoot at the helicopter, you idiot! Shoot at the fucking helicopter! Morons. We are cooked.
Return ASAP.
I was about to say, if I lose this fight I would be so disappointed. Oh, this was bad luck for him that I equipped this. You can go up here! This is so hard overpowered. Why? This is not... This is not what the map needed. Okay, sorry. Oh, come on, I almost took them out. Yeah, hey, they have... Let's see some statistics for you. I have to figure out what kind of player these are.
Echo has been captured by hostiles.
We are losing... We have lost all the fucking flags. You have to be kidding me, you pieces of garbage. And there was a shot I thought like this can't be that fast. But yeah, actually there was somebody sitting in a corner shooting a shotgun at me. Nice balance! What the fuck, EA? This game sucks so hard, this is trash. What the? Come on, I just... Please, yeah, at least. But we are dead, you idiot. We lost. What the fuck? And I'm third in the fucking server! I didn't even start at the... I was waiting half of the time in the fucking lobby. Nice. Nobody's at a fucking flag. We lost this. Oh, come on. This sucks. Can I? Get me right? I'm third. Come on, this is not what I'm looking for. What the fuck? This game is so bad. What kind of fucking matchmaking is this? Now you can see the statistics. Just so you can see. Nice round, so yeah, Battlefield 6, great game. The rounds are really fast, 7 minutes the whole match took. And I unlock fucking skins because yeah, skins are cool. Go and buy skins, yay. Thanks for watching, bye. Hi and welcome back to Battlefield 6. Let's see, the statistics are quite mixed so far. A first impression, but it will change. It's just the beginning, so... Our squad leader will not use the MG for long. No! It's taken, it's taken, it's taken, it's taken. Let me pass, yes. Okay, there's so much... There's a little bird, what the fuck, where does it... Nice. Nice, well done, you piece of... Why? Oh, come on. This was close. At least he's dead.
We've secured Charlie.
Oh, and beast kill me. What the fuck? How? What?
Objective marked. We need you supporting the attack.
What hit me there? Oh, there's a tank.
Pilots are free to engage.
So some players already know. Oh, this was way too long. Yeah, I think the little bird respawned. Nobody killed me, so yeah. Walking simulator. Because it's a fucking nice game. Let me run around with a knife in my hand. At least they put this knife running into the game, otherwise you would be stuck walking even slower. There! And I closed my game. Nice. Yeah. No. Oh man.
We have Bravo under attack.
You won't be able to fucking use the... Kills. What the... Okay, yeah. Was a try. I'm first! What the fuck? Half the time I was just waiting around. There's somebody on the flag. One guy.
Okay, we have re-established objective
But
control.
where? Who? Why? What?
Enemy fast there!
The plane.
Right away!
Almost. He came from here. Of course. Then when I wanted to watch into the building there. But yeah. I don't want to go there. I want a fucking flying vehicle. But it's only to suffer because it will be shut down really fast and I have no chance in avoiding it. Why is there an anti-air placed for some reason now? They will take the tank here.
Winning the fight. Keep it up.
Oh, and I missed. Come on, how did I miss that? How did I survive that? And I'm dead. Fuck this game. Why am I second even? What the fuck? And this tank is doing shit to help this location and nobody's spawning here. Because everybody knows it's a fucking trap with nothing for us to gain. There are even 5 people in the fucking map. And of course there was this one guy standing there in a window.
More objectives. Out.
I don't, why, like, come on guys, you're just camping with the vehicles. Yeah, you know, otherwise you can't fly and whatever, but man, I want to use them as well. Can't even play it in fucking Portal to test the flying, the reaction, the feeling for it. You can't do that because fucking EA is saying you don't need to. And now I will be shut down. Nice, where is he flying? Yeah, great idea. But what do you trying to achieve? No, light this up. No. Why is he flying like that? For what reason? Oh, come on, now I'm stuck in this fucking helicopter with a guy that's flying somewhere because he's wanna camp up the fucking spawn. Oh one. No, at least he's trying to kill these snipers. Come on, let me, I'm pressing F2! I'm pressing F2! Oh, come on! Why, since when does it take so much to kill this guy?
Enemy helo!
Oh, come on, how much damage can he take? I will be dead 10 times!
Heads up! Enemy helo!
And we are shut down. What the fuck? This game is so fucking bad. How? Since when? Doesn't? What? I can't. It's good. Why couldn't I take damage? Why couldn't I damage the fucking vehicle? Why? Like for what reason? Oh, come on, I shot first! And it completely missed or what? Fuck this game. This is so fucking bad. I can't. What is he fucking doing back there? There's a mine, hopefully. I fucking hate it. He had been driving onto the mine like nothing ever happened. Where's the fucking anti-air now? Why am I getting hit? From where? What? Where? He's fucking using a flare! What the fuck? This game is so bad, why couldn't he fucking mark it? Hey, this is like every single second of this game is just bad. Look at these guys, they're just keeping the fucking thing somewhere. I can't even see where on the map they are. This is just one, where's the other one? Ah, there's one, at least he's flying right. Oh, what the fuck? Like, let's do fucking buggy gameplay, because it's the only chance you get in fucking Battlefield. You can't fucking expect nothing besides maybe having the chance of fucking quad bike. Man, this game gets me. Like, every fucking game I play, it's just getting worse. And it's just annoying. Like, why can't I fucking... Why isn't there fucking... I don't know, new vehicle only server? Why isn't there fucking not transport vehicle, like helicopters only server? Or what the fuck, I don't know, to have a fucking chance to play a fucking vehicle, because you can't play.
We are still controlling the fight. Keep it
Fucking idiot. God, this game is so fucking bad. Fire. Why did he okay, my aim is off. Where's my fucking teammate? He walked behind me!
Let's go.
Where did he fucking go? Where? Is he dead? I think he placed down the fucking spawn beacon here in the open, because it's a fucking smart move to place it somewhere. Well, the enemies will walk past. Yeah, smart move. Yeah, fuck this game. Since if I'm using the minigun in this helicopter, I won't be able to fucking shoot at shit. And he's dead because the other helicopter is just behind him. Where's our anti-air? Where's our... Yeah, the anti-air can't do shit in this game, of course it can't. What should I play? I don't want to play as an infantry player shooting rockets all the time. That's nothing like... I stopped playing this game. No. I can't fucking play this any longer. Fuck it. Go back. Bye.